In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a time report in Goodday. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Goodday website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects and tasks. Once you're in, you'll see your usual workspace or dashboard, depending on how your account is set up. Next, find and click on the specific task you want to track time for. This might be a task assigned to you or one you're collaborating on with your team. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct task, because the time you record here will be associated with this particular item. Inside the task view, look towards the top area of the screen for a small clock icon. This icon represents the time tracking feature in Goodday. Go ahead and click on the clock icon to open the time tracking options for this task. Now you'll see an option to start tracking your time. Click on Start Timer. From this point, Goodday will begin counting the time you spend working on that task. You can now focus on your work while the timer runs in the background. It's a good idea to only start the timer when you're actually beginning your work session so your report is accurate. When you're done working or you want to pause and record your progress, go back to the same clock area and click on it again. This will bring up the time tracking controls. Here, select Stop Timer to end the tracking for that work session. Stopping the timer ensures that no extra time is added accidentally after you finish working. Once the timer is stopped, Goodday will prompt you to fill in the details of your time entry. This is where you can review or adjust the recorded duration if needed, add a short description of what you did, and confirm any other required fields, such as date or task-related notes. Be as clear and accurate as possible so your time report is meaningful for you and your team. After you've completed all the necessary details and everything looks correct, the final step is to click Submit. This will save your time report to the task